Yeah. Where you from? Denver. Where you from, face? 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 Come on, Denver. Where you from, face? Denver. Face. What up, Denver? Tell these niggas where you from, for sure.
Go in here and see what the hell these cats is up to. My goddamn Jeep. What you over there eating?
What's going on, Bob?
What's going on? How you doing today?
Okay, how about yourself?
I'm good, I'm good. You went and got some Chinese food?
Yeah.
You forgot about me, huh?
No.
See,
No, I thought about you when I pulled off. I said, no, it's late in the day to be calling him to get lunch.
Nah.
Another call tomorrow.
He said not too late.
I could have made you one of the best burritos you would have had, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, beef, bean, and cheese, you know what I'm saying? With that little homemade sauce. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to call you tomorrow then.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were that quick and prepared.
Man, I stay ready. If you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready.
All right.
Yeah. So when we gonna be ready, that's why I'm up here.
I know I got in yesterday and straightened out all the snacks and put them in primer. Today I plan on sanding them out and putting paint on it this evening. And then buffing her up tomorrow. That's my plans.
Yeah, my plans was to pick it up today. So when,
Yeah.
when you think you'll have it? Because I had to put it back on snooze. Cause
I'll tell you tomorrow, after I wait and see how the paint job comes out, make sure I got the right paint
stuff.
like I want it.
Do you already know what kind of basic we paint color that? It's an olive green, I guess.
It's on the sticker over
Sticker.
there.
Okay.
Get ready to call them up here.
And that's the manufacturer paint? It ain't been okay.
Call them up and order it.
Okay. Cool. Alrighty.
I get on when I got back yesterday.
Well, not yesterday, today. I came over here yesterday. It's still outside.
I did it last night.
Nah, 5 o'clock this morning. You forgot I got GPS on my truck. I know every time it started and it moves.
I brought it in last night and did it.
5 this morning.
It was in here last night. Double check that.
You got what now?
I did it last night.
GPS on my truck. I know when it started. I know when it's moving.
Listen,
What?
when them motherfuckers steal that motherfucker.
Nah, they can't
you
find
won't
it.
know
Mine's is
shit.
hardwired. Nah. I could cut that thing off and nobody can move that damn car. Kill switch it.
No, but I did bring it in last night and do that. Better check your phone.
I already did. I'm telling you, 5:30 this morning.
Yeah, it told you 5:30 last night.
Reason why I don't like my car sitting out like that, because people be stealing Cadillac converters too much around this motherfucker. And then if that would have happened, then that would have been another bill on you.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, damn, I don't want my shit sitting out there. And this is the perfect spot to get them at, is a damn body shop.
You have to check your phone. It was 5:30 last night.
You got that Monte Carlo up out of here?
Huh?
Is the Monte Carlo back there still?
No, it's sitting right there covered up in plastic. I got the other one.
Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Yeah, I'm on it, boss.
Yeah, because
I'm on it.
I need some money. I'm missing money. I need to put it back out there. All right. Well, I'll get with you about what? About this time tomorrow? Come check on you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come check on you about this time. I'm going to go to Sam's Club and see what they're doing. Hopefully they got some chicken wings up there. If that, then we can have that chicken and shrimp basket.
Okay, you let me know.
Yeah. All right, Alan.
All right.
Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
All right, brother. Don't tell me when the hell they moved my Jeep. Unless that GPS tripping. Shit. Well, at least I see they doing something to it. You dig? Progress is better than none, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Damn, these trailers was not here around this motherfucker. They be all up in there though around this motherfucker. I need to own me a shipping yard. Or at least where y'all come park, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to look up into that. Shit. If you know anybody driving the truck is making big bucks. Boy, whoever this is right here, when they done with it, that thing gonna be sauce. Saucy. What's in the bag? What's in the bag, man? Oh, gotta go to the bank. Ooh, bust another Yui. What twin turbos, man? Alright, y'all, so they working on my truck. Supposed to be working on that shit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Shit, talking about you had somebody working on it while you was gone. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go check back in tomorrow around this time. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. So we're gonna see what the progress on it is tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Till then, y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And you know, I'll tap back in with y'all tomorrow. Peace.